Good morning, children. Let's continue with our chapter Europe in Transition. In last class, we saw the people of Constantinople migrate to Italy, and by the end of the 13th century, Renaissance, which began in Italy, spread to other nations. Now I will read the lesson for you. You listen it carefully. The Renaissance, the fine arts, literature and history in the medieval period works centered on religious ideology. The texts were invariably written in Greek and Latin, as these languages were considered elite and scholarly. By the dawn of the 13th century, Latin and Greek gave way to regional languages like Spanish, English and French. The writers of this period adopted the life of the common man as the central theme of their works. The literature of this period was no longer confined to religion and philosophy, but gave way to themes that depicted diverse aspects of human life. Similar changes occurred in other arts forms like painting and sculpture. This vision, primarily concerned with the various aspects of human life, is known as humanism. The new spirit of humanism inspired unique thoughts on the universe and human life. It promoted reasoning and a spirit of inquiry. Consequently, a new awakening in all spheres of human life became visible in Europe, and it is known as the Renaissance. The art, literature and history in the medieval period were based on religious ideas. In this period, the texts were written in Greek and Latin languages because these were considered as elite languages. Elite means Sreshta. Elite languages means Sreshta Bhasha. By the beginning of 13th century, Latin and Greek gave way to regional languages like English, Spanish and French. The writers of this period started to use the life of ordinary people as the central themes of their work. The writings of this period were not limited to religion and philosophy, but gave way to the ideas that describe the various sides of human life. The movement that started with the man and his life placed in the focus is known as humanism. Humanism Malayalam means Manavagata. യൂറോപ്പിൽ നിലനിന്നിരുന്ന മതപരമായ ആശയങ്ങളെ കേന്ദ്രീകരിച്ചുള്ള സാഹിത്യവും കലയും മനുഷ്യജീവിതത്തിന് പ്രാധാന്യം കൊടുക്കുന്ന കാഴ്ചപ്പാടിലേക്ക് വഴിപിരിഞ്ഞു. ഇതാണ് മാനവികത. The new spirit of humanism inspired different thoughts on the universe and human life. It promoted reasoning and the spirit of inquiry. Consequently, a new thinking in all fields of human life became visible in Europe and it is known as Renaissance. Renaissance Malayalam means നവോത്ഥാനം. പ്രപഞ്ചത്തെക്കുറിച്ചും ജീവിത സാഹചര്യങ്ങളെക്കുറിച്ചും വ്യത്യസ്തമായ രീതിയിൽ ചിന്തിക്കാൻ ഹ്യൂമനിസം കാരണമായി. യുക്തിചിന്തയുടെയും അന്വേഷണത്വരയുടെയും വളർച്ചയ്ക്ക് കാരണമായി. മനുഷ്യജീവിതത്തിന്റെ നാനാ മേഖലകളിലും പുത്തൻ ഉണർവ് ഇതിലൂടെ സൃഷ്ടിക്കപ്പെട്ടത്. ഇത്തരത്തിലുള്ള ഉണർവാണ് നവോത്ഥാനം അഥവാ റിനൈസൻസ്. In short, the intellectual revolution that took place in Europe in 15th and 16th centuries is termed as Renaissance. The word Renaissance means rebirth, the rebirth of Greek, Roman literature and learning. It was a period of transition from Middle Age to the modern age. The origin of Renaissance was in Italy. Then two important questions are here. What is humanism and what is Renaissance? Hope all of you understood it. Thank you.